Hi everyone, this is Jim Leong for OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division. Today, we have an exclusive unit right here at the Hillier at District 23. This 807 square feet, 2-bedroom condo unit is surrounded by a ton of green spaces while being close to many amenities and facilities. Let's check it out. Stepping in, we are first greeted by this elegant living space that is draped in minimalistic aesthetic. This living room features a 2-seater couch, well-maintained flooring, modern light fixture, and even a TV feature. It has a high ceiling of 3.36 meters and is also seamlessly connected to a dining area that can accommodate up to 4 people with tons of walking space left to spare. The balcony over here has a stunning view of the swimming pool and the neighborhood below, creating the perfect spot for your morning coffees or just for your laundry. The kitchen is efficiently designed and is integrated with the dining area. It has plenty of cabinet space, a built-in oven, and a hob system. This bedroom here is good-sized and bright, having enough space to fit a super single bed, a desk, and tons of storage spaces. The highlight of this room is this Jack and Jill toilet, which connects this bedroom with another room that has been converted into a walk-in wardrobe. The next bedroom we have here is this gorgeous loft suite that comes equipped with warm lights. Efficiently designed, this bedroom has tons of storage space while being able to fit a queen-size bed just right above it. It also comes with its own ensuite bathroom. The Hillier facilities includes a gym, tennis court, spa pool, barbecue pits, and more. This unit is just less than 3 minutes walk from Hillview MRT on the downtown line and is close to Upper Bukit Timah Road, which connects to the PIE. For food and shopping options, the Real Mall, Beauty World Centre, Bukit Timah Plaza, Bukit Timah Food and Market Centre, Bukit Timah Shopping Centre are your go-to options for a host of eateries and restaurants within the 2-kilometer radius. Parents will be pleased to know that a range of schools such as St. Francis Methodist School, CHIJ Our Lady Queen of Peace, Assumption English School, Bukit Panjang Primary School, and the GESS International are all within 2 kilometers radius. Don't just stop here. Contact me at 9764 1075 and start your new life at the Hillier. This has been Jim Leong for OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division. See you soon.